If you want to protect your home and your loved ones, but you just think to yourself, I don't know where to start, well, then you've come to the right place. Rob Gabriele here at safehome.org. Our team of experts personally test and review the top brands in home security, from household names like ADT to DIY options like Simply Safe and Ring. We do deep dives by purchasing the products and installing them in our homes. Then we spend days, sometimes weeks, living with the technology, testing everything from alarm responsiveness to the zoom features on security cameras. We do all this to help you understand what it's really like living with these products on a day-to-day basis and whether or not they can protect your home. Now you might be asking, what makes us qualified as security experts? Well, we have decades of experience and over 50,000 hours of industry research under our belts. Our work has been cited by the likes of the New York Times and the Washington Post. And I've personally been featured on news channels for my home security expertise. Add it up, and you can see why we're the #1 source for trusted information on home security and personal safety. So come along, I invite you to dig into our rich resources and reviews so that you and your family can sleep a little easier at night. Remember, stay smart and live secure at safehome.org.